Good morning, welcome back to the class of standard 3rd, subject math. So today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 5, shapes and designs. Now open page number 60 in your textbook. Make a clapper. So this is your homework. You have to make a clapper at your home, followed by these steps: first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this is your homework. You have to make clapper at home. Then next, have fun with shapes. Color the clown following the directions given below. For triangles, you have to use red color. For squares, you have to use yellow colors. For rectangles, you have to use blue colors. And for circles, you have to use green color. So you can see these different shapes of this clown. So you have to color. For the triangle, you can see here triangle, then here triangle, here triangle. In the triangle, you have to use red color. Squares, you have to use yellow colors. Then rectangles, you have to use blue color. And circles, you have to use green color. So you can see these circles, this triangle, these squares, then rectangles. You can see these different types of shapes in this clown. So if you will color the clown, it will look like this. See this clown. If you will color the clown, so it will look like this. So this is your homework. Okay. The next page. How many triangles are there in the following figures? So here you can see these figures. So how many triangles are there? Let's count. So let's count how many triangles are there in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after you can see this 9, 10, 11 or 12. So how many triangles are there? So here 12 triangles are here. Then these figures, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles are there. Now more triangles also is there. 9, 10, 11, 12. Then this 13 and 14. So how many triangles are there? Here 14 triangles are there. Then this triangle, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this 10, 11, then 12 and this full triangle. So 13. So how many triangles are there? So here 13 triangles are there. The next one is find the biggest rectangle in the figures given below. So here you can see this first figure. This rectangle is already given. So this is the biggest rectangle in this figure. Then next this figure. So in your textbook you have to draw this rectangle. So you can draw this rectangle in this figure, then this figure. Here you can draw these rectangles, then this figure. You can draw these rectangles here. The biggest rectangle in your textbook like this. and corners. Mita and her 5 friends were playing a game. Tinku was blindfolded. You can see this Tinku. He was blindfolded and asked to keep clapping as long as he wished while others would move round the table. The moment Tinku stopped clapping, everybody would stop wherever they were. The child who was not at the corner would be out. Now who will be out? The child who was not at the corner. So that would be out. Then she would be blindfolded. Here you can see these 5 friends. Chotu, Guddu, Bunty, Raja and Meena. These 5 friends and this Tinku. Looking at the picture given above, can you tell who is out? Now you can see this picture. Now you can tell me who is out. See this Meena, Bunty, Chotu and Raja. So this Guddu, he is out. Why? Because he is not standing in the corner. You know the rules. Who was not at the corner, that would be out. So this Guddu is not standing in the corner. So he is out. The next question, where is Guddu standing? So this Guddu is standing one of the middle sides of the table. You can see, so this Guddu is standing one of the middle side of this table. Then can this game be played around a round table? No, this game cannot be played around a round table because a round table has no corners, so this game can't play. The next, many things around us have straight edges. For example, this textbook. So this is the edges of this book. Then this table. Then this kite. So this side it's called edges. These things have straight edges. You can see this. Then one other things have curved edges. For example, this round shape. So these things have curved edges and these things have straight edges. You can see these things. Then look around you and identify things with straight and curved edges. So look around you and you have to identify that things with straight and curved edges. So first we will see things with straight edges. So you can see this, a book have straight edges. Then other example, one example is a book have straight edges. Then this eraser also have straight edges. Then a page also have straight edges, you know. So a book, an eraser and a page have straight edges. Now let's see the other examples of curved edges. So the example of curved edges, so first one is a cylinder, you know. You can see this curved edges. So curved edges and a pen also have curved edges. So the things which have the curved edges, that is cylinder, a bowl and next one is pen. The next question is, do the things with straight edges have corners? Now which things who have straight edges have corner? Yes or no? Yes, things who have straight edges have corner. You can see this corner. So the answer will come yes. Yes, the things with straight edges have corners. Do the things with curved edges have corners? No, the things with curved edges have no corners. For example, see this curved edges example. Here any corner is there? No. Here also no corners. So no, the things with curved edges have no corners. You can see this other example also. This bowl have any corners? No. The next one, try to find things which have both straight and curved edges. So here we have to find out that the things which have both straight edges and curved edges. Let's see. You can see this pencil have both straight edges and from here curved edges also. So one example is a pencil. Then see these capsules also have straight edges and curved edges also. You can see this. So two examples, a pencil, then a capsule, and one more example, a knife. You can see this straight edges and from here curved edges. So a pencil, a capsule and a knife have straight and curved edges. So in your fair book, what you have to write? So in your fair book, this edges and corners. So this you have to write in your fair book, and this one also you have to write in your fair book. So how to write? So I will send in the PDF. So like that you can write. Okay. Thank you.